Hello guys and welcome back to Code on DashCam channel. Today we prepared a really special episode dedicated to road drivers who get punished for doing reckless things on the road. We all love instant karma moments and this episode is all about it. Sit back and enjoy. Driver overestimated the road conditions and it came back to bite him. It's funny how karma has its way around to punish us for misbehaving. Check this one out. Camera got cut off by a careless driver who wasn't paying attention, but the same driver is about to get a taste of his own medicine as well. The worst thing you can do is drink and drive. Those two don't go hand in hand and this driver learned it the hard way. Luckily, he didn't hit anyone else. This Karen wanted to force herself in front of the camera at all costs. She eventually did it, but it came at the cost of a hit. She was at fault and the camera got it all on his dashcam. Check it out.
Up that night, obviously couldn't do it outside, so moved my precious beer tent, the jig, put up a system of just washing that.
Impatience can cause accidents like this one to occur, and even worse. Luckily, no one was injured despite one vehicle ending up on its roof.
As it turns out, and also of educational status among children. And so there are both ethical and technical reasons why that might be a bad idea. And we can shake our fingers at you because you're not doing that, and to some degree, perhaps that's appropriate. But more importantly, if we do see something like incremental progress in that direction, and we want to facilitate it.
There. Add the guardrail. Heck was it? What was it? Can't even tell. Can't even tell. Oh, there's another one down there.
And with this instant karma clip, we conclude another epic episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoy watching and learning some things as well. Never act like you're more important than others, because karma can be right around the corner. If you like my work, don't hesitate to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Until the next episode, ride safe and take care.